Sige. Hello, LPTs. Drill tayo. General Education, English.
Okay.
Sige, unahin natin ang vocabulary ng taong bayan. Pag sinasabi natin intrepid.
Intrepid is brave, yeah.
Pag sinasabi natin chauffeur.
Driver.
Pag sinasabi naman natin mundane.
Mundane is mediocre.
Pag sinasabi natin mundane, ordinary.
Oh, yeah.
Pag sinasabi natin ambidexterity.
Manual skill.
Two, yeah.
Two, di ba?
Oh, good at both hands.
Yeah.
Pag sinasabi naman natin anong meaning ng old hand.
All that is
Pag
experience.
sinasabi natin profanity.
Obscenity.
Pag sinasabi natin voracious.
Voracious is eager.
Voracious, very
Very
eager. Pag
yeah.
sinasabi natin profanity.
Obscenity.
Pulchritude.
Beauty.
Hiatus.
Lapse.
Conflagration.
Large fire.
Conflagration. Large.
Fire.
What about for carnal?
Cardinal worldview.
Sinasabi natin put a finger on a fire. Ibig sabihin,
Participate in something.
Rome was not built in a day.
Great things takes time.
Sinasabi natin apple tree. Sino ang
That's William Blake.
ano yung poison tree pala yun?
Yeah.
Ang poison represents
Trap.
apple. And apple represents
Trap.
trap. Pag sinasabi natin folly and stupidity, ano yun?
Folly and stupidity, that's
Universe,
travel, yeah.
travel. Ano, sinong author?
Swift.
Pag sinasabi natin Iliad and Odyssey.
Oh, Homer.
Pag Iliad lang.
Iliad Homer pa rin.
Pag sinasabi natin Anna Karenina.
Anna Karenina is by Leo Tolstoy.
Pag sinasabi natin Annabelle Lee.
Annabelle, that's E.A. Poe.
Father of horror and detective
E.A.
stories.
Poe.
Pag sinasabi natin greatest English writer.
Greatest English writer is, Taysa, Shakespeare?
Shakespeare. Pag
Yeah.
sinasabi natin Father of English literature. Father of English literature, Chaucer. Greatest English writer, Shakespeare. Bard of Avon, Shakespeare.
Shakespeare.
This is the theme of Merchants of Venice.
Mercy is freely given. Spontaneous and freely given.
Is it a metaphor or simile?
It's metaphor.
What is the theme of Macbeth?
Macbeth is ambition for power.
Longest play of Shakespeare.
That's Hamlet.
To be or not to be?
Indecision.
Sixes or sevens?
In confusion.
In a state of
Confusion, yeah.
confusion. Pag sinasabi natin Pride and Prejudice.
That's Austin.
What about for letters for Celia?
Letters BJ Johnson.
Then,
Johnson.
Johnson. Pag sinasabi natin Wuthering Heights.
Wuthering Height is Charlotte Bronte.
Charlotte Brand. Sino yung kapatid niya?
Si Emily Bronte.
Ano yung sinulat niya?
That's Jane Eyre.
Jane, Ivy, or Ira. Pag sinasabi naman natin Mrs. Dalloway.
Mrs. Dalloway's Wolf.
Ano si... O. Henry?
Yeah.
Oh, Henry?
Yeah.
O. Henry?
William Sidney Porter.
Again, O. Henry?
William Sidney Porter.
Sabi naman natin, grasp pleasure while you can. Is
That's
our-
Rubaiyat.
Sino author?
Cam. Omar Cam.
Sinbad is
Kaya.
included in
1001 Nights.
Arabic. The most influential book of the world,
That's the one with Psalms of David.
King James Bible. The most influential book,
Okay.
the greatest lyric poem ever written,
That's Psalms of David.
Psalms, the Indian Shakespeare.
Indian Kalidasa.
For example natin Indian Fable.
One more time?
Indian Fable.
Indian Fable is Panchat Tantra.
What about for the greatest fable?
Great. Greatest Fable, si Kuan? Aesop?
Aesop's Fables. Pag sasabi naman natin mga moral lesson na makikita sa Biblia.
Moral, didactic. Ow!
Sa Biblia, parable or pabula?
Fable. Fable. Parable, sorry.
Parable. Pag mga hayop naman,
Fable.
fable. Ano ka ba naman? Aesop's Fable
Okay. Okay.
Ayan. Okay. Pag sinasabi naman natin, the wind is the tree is dancing,
That's personification.
like an ass.
Simile.
Direct comparison.
Metaphor.
Utok, so lapitan mo ko.
Apostrophe.
May I ask your hand?
That's part of something synecdoche.
So, pag sinasabi natin, the crown belongs to the queen.
That's metonymy.
Pag sinasabi natin, ikaw ay may magandang mukha na tanging ina mo lang humahanga.
Ikaw ay may magandang mukha na tanging may mo lang umahanga. Is that? Teka muna.
Pag-u.
Irony?
Pag-uyam or irony.
Okay.
Di ba irony yan? Di ba? Ang gaya mukha mo, nanay mo lang ang
Nakaka-appreciate.
number one fan mo, di ba? Okay. Pag sinasabi naman natin na many a child is our.
Is.
Pag sinasabi natin bread and butter.
Is.
Pag sinasabi natin mathematics.
Is.
Pag sinasabi natin a lot of water is, or as, are.
A lot of water is.
Pag nabibilang,
That's singular. I know,
R.
countable is R, yeah.
are. Pag positions tayo, pag sinasabi natin na 30 minutes.
In 30
Pag
minutes.
sinasabi natin sumakay ka ng bus.
On.
Pag sinasabi natin tricycle.
That's in.
Pag nakatayo ka.
That's on.
Pag hindi ka nakatayo.
In.
Pag sinasabi naman natin na Monday.
Monday, on.
Pag sinasabi natin na year.
In.
Pag sinasabi naman natin na street.
Abs. Street is on.
Pag sinasabi natin Cebu.
In Cebu.
Malaki. In.
In, yeah.
Pag specific.
At, yeah.
Pag may number.
At.
Pag
So,
street lang. Avenue, Boulevard, Street.
on.
Famous for a love song na she wrote.
That's Edith Tiempo.
Pag sinasabi naman natin na The Virgin.
Tavera.
Vera. Ano nga yun? Sino yung virgin doon?
Mrs. Minares.
Miss Miha.
Mijares.
Sana all, di ba? Pag sinasabi naman natin na Dead Stars.
That's Paz Benatiz.
Lumabas yan, di ba?
Yes.
Paz, Marquez, Benitez. Pag sinasabi natin Father Philippine Grammar.
Philippine grammar is Santos. Lopique Santos.
Lopi Casan. Yes, tama. Pag sinasabi Father of Philippine Linguistics.
Cecilio Lopez.
Cecilio Lopez. Pag sinasabi... Okay. That's the wrap for the English, General Education,